I swear this might be the most awkward video that I'm ever gonna post on the internet. I'm just saying. Yep, this is happening. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Why am I doing this? I really, really hope this doesn't stain because that's gonna be so bad. What? Ellie Graf! She got scared. Oh. I'm a fucking makeup artist. A little bit more, even though I think this is pretty good because it's not perfect either when he does it, but you know, just add a little bit more for some more, you know, coverage. Okay, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I guess like all around his eyes are green or black. So here we go. Okay. I think I made it. I think I made my eyes too big. I think I did. I think I made my eyes too big. Oh well. Okay, hold on. If memory serves me, fuck. Okay. We just gotta. Okay, I gotta find that wig. I gotta find that wig. Where is the wig? I forgot about the fucking wig. What does that do with the wig? Okay, so we might kind of have like a slight problem because I don't have a wig and he's got like green seaweed hair. But like, oh wait, I need to change to like something not pink. Hold on. Okay, this is as green of a jacket as I have and I turned it inside out. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh, this is so freaking good. Oh, I don't look like myself. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the only wig I have from my Cruella de Vil, so we're gonna make it work and like hide as much white as we can. Okay. Oh, you can still see white, but that's just, yeah. Okay, don't look at the white. Hold on. I gotta fix it where it looks good. Okay, hold on. I have bobby pins around here. Okay. Okay. I gotta pin this white back because he's not flaring no white. Okay. Oh my god, I look so scary. Okay, well there's some white, and that just means that old Gregg is getting kind of old. Okay, so pretend this is a green wig, okay? This is funny as fuck. Okay, this is where things have to get serious, because obviously, like, I am candy for this guy.
Hi there.
Who are you?
I'm old Gregg. Pleased to meet you.
What do you want?
Maybe I should ask you the same question. What you doing in my waters?
Just taking the air, you know. Not fishing.
But then how come this hook's in my head, fool?
It's nothing to do with me, sir.
It's attached to your rod, mother liquor.
Don't kill me. I've got so much to give.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach. You ever drunk Baileys from a shoe?
What?
You wanna come to a club where people wee on each other?
No.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Excuse me?
I like you. What do you think of me?
I don't rightly know, sir.
Make an assessment.
I think you're a nice, modern gentleman.
Don't lie to me, boy.
I'm not lying.
I know what you're thinking. Here comes old Gregg. He's a scaly manfish. You don't know me. You don't know what I got. I got something to show you. You know what that is? That's old Gregg's vagina. I got a mangina. I'm old Gregg.
What's happening?
I'm old Gregg.
What?
I'm old Gregg.
Where am I?
Gregg's place. Do you love me?
Oh dear.
Do you love me?
Gonna have to pretend I didn't hear that, Gregg.
Do you think you could ever love me?
It doesn't really work like that, Gregg.
How does it work? Tell me how it works.
Well, you get to know someone, you hang out, you see where that goes, this, that, the other, eventually, you know. I don't know you.
You know me. What about the boat times?
That wasn't really a time, was it, Gregg? That was more of a just an exposure.
That was our first date. You pulled me up with your strong arms.
Oh dear. Look, Gregg, I don't know you.
Oh, you know me. You seen my downstairs mix-up?
Yeah, I didn't ask to see that, did I?
What did it mean to you to see that? Did it mean you love me?
No, it didn't.
Could you learn to love me?
No, I couldn't. I don't love you.
You do love me.
No, I don't.
You do love me.
No, I don't.
You love me, and you've seen me, and you know me. I'm old Gregg.
Yeah, I know you are. You've told me 89 times now.
You must love me exactly as I love you.
Well, I don't love you. And to be honest, you're starting to get on my nerves a bit now. If anything, I find you slightly pathetic. So deal with that.
Maybe I will deal with it. Maybe I'll deal with it the way I dealt with Curly Jefferson.
You know what, Gregg? Maybe I was being a bit hasty there when I said I didn't love you. Perhaps now in this light with you and the tutu and the water playing off your seaweed, maybe I could love you. Maybe I was lying, because when you do love someone, sometimes you say you don't because you're playing hard to get, playing a game.
Games?
Yeah, I was just playing a game with you.
Love games?
That's right, love games, Gregg.
Love games? Do you love me? Are you playing your love games with me? I just wanna know what to do, 'cause I need your love a lot. Come on now, you love me. Are you playing your love games with me? I just wanna know what to do, 'cause